Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone or iPad runs iOS 15 or later, and your AirPods are paired. Once paired, open Settings and go to Siri and search, then tap Announce Notifications. This turns on the system service that routes notifications to audio. Make sure you allow individual apps to announce. Tap each app and toggle Allow Notifications to announce. Doing this early avoids missed alerts and lets Siri speak only where you want it, saving privacy and attention. Next, you fine-tune what gets announced and how. Open each app listed under Announce Notifications and choose whether replies via Siri are allowed. For messages, enable Reply without confirmation if you want quick voice replies. For essential apps, enable Always Announce so alerts play even in focus modes. Also adjust AirPods playback volume and noise control so announcements are audible over music. If you use AirPods Pro, set transparency during setup to keep environmental awareness while Siri speaks. Finally, test the setup by sending a message or triggering a notification from a configured app while wearing AirPods. You should hear Siri announce the sender and content. If not, make sure Bluetooth is active, devices are updated, and focus or do not disturb aren't blocking announcements. Once done, restart both your iPhone and AirPods. If problems persist, reset the AirPods and reconnect. This sequence clears common glitches and ensures Siri reliably announces notifications to your AirPods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.